I'm officially unleashing this Willys EcoDiesel and building a Rubicon-ready monster. And it starts today with a little heavy lifting. These 5 Black Rock Steelies are ready to go under the knife. I'm going to load these wheels in the Jeep, take them down to the tire shop, and get some beads set. If you've been following Muddy Ruttzz, you know the drill. I'm all about Steelies and pizza cutters. Today, these are getting wrapped with some 35 by 10.5 Kenda Klever RTs. We're going for a specific look and a whole lot of capability. I spent months in a knockdown drag-out fight over death wobble with my wife's Gladiator Rubicon EcoDiesel. I won that battle, and you can check the playlist in the card. This Gladiator's ready for Moab next October, but this is her rig. Out of respect, I only drive it from the passenger seat. Today is all about showing some love to my Willys EcoDiesel. This Jeep has never let me down. The 2-inch Mopar lift, the 33-inch Toyo Open Countries, and the 440 foot-pounds of diesel torque. It's been a beast, even hauling my X-Venture XU3 off-road trailer. But after Overland Expo West, my head was spinning. Those Ineos Grenadiers, tractor axles, inline 6-cylinder motor. Be honest with you, if you could get the diesel in the United States, I'd have one in this driveway right now. I crunched the numbers on upgrading to a Wrangler Rubicon EcoDiesel. But once you factor in the unknowns, the risk of inheriting somebody else's mechanical headache, forget it. I know every nut and bolt on this Willys EcoDiesel. I've owned it since it was brand new, and I've babied it. I'll be handling the DIY side. But for the heavy-duty axle work, I'll be bringing in specialists that live and breathe Jeep gears. The next time you see this Jeep, it's going to stand a little taller, look a little meaner, and be a heck of a lot more capable. By the end of this series, we'll be roaring through Johnson Valley, crawling over the Rubicon, and overlanding with a huge amount of confidence. So hit that thumbs up and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, if you had this rig and $15,000 to spend on it, what would be the first mod you'd pull a trigger on? I'm Muddy Ruttzz. I'll see you on the next one, and don't forget, the best is yet to come.